If you are currently struggling to make ends meet, the phrase, "the rich get richer," can feel like a direct insult to your effort. When a bank account hovers near zero, every minor choice, a grocery bill, a strange car noise, or a utility notice, becomes a high-stakes survival decision. Life is dictated by a constant anxiety that never shuts off. We can call this state the vacuum. It's an environment where wealth building is physically impossible because all your energy is consumed by the friction of staying afloat today. Without a safety net, you are entirely at the mercy of chance. You have been stripped of the ability to look at next year because you are forced to stare at next Tuesday. To see how this breaks down mathematically, imagine a standard emergency, a $3,000 car transmission failure hitting a $0 bank balance. Without cash, that repair goes onto a credit card at a 25% interest rate. If you only manage the minimum payments, you are no longer just paying for a car repair. This chart shows the penalty of being broke. An initial $3,000 expense snowballs into a $5,000 debt trap as interest piles up. This is the inertia of zero. Lacking upfront capital makes the emergency 60% more expensive, dragging you deeper into the negative. Since a single bad break can cost you $5,000, you need a surplus that makes that number look small. For most, the first major threshold for that escape velocity is $10,000. Let's run that exact same car repair scenario again. Same $3,000 bill, but this time you have $10,000 in the bank. You pay the mechanic in full. The event remains frustrating, but it stays a mechanical problem instead of becoming a life-altering financial crisis. Having that cash on hand changes your posture. You move from a defensive crouch, waiting for the next hit, to an offensive position where you can actually make choices about your future. This milestone triggers an identity shift. Reaching 5 figures is proof that you possess the discipline required to accumulate wealth, which changes how you value every dollar you spend from that point forward. $10,000 buys more than just a car repair. It buys the time and emotional control needed to stop reacting to life and start directing it. Once you have stabilized your life, you can finally utilize the engine of wealth momentum, compound interest. This diagram shows the year one math. If you place $10,000 into a low-cost index fund with a 10% average return, the capital generates $1,000 in growth without any extra effort on your part. The math shifts in year two. That 10% return now applies to the full $11,000 balance, yielding a larger $1,100 gain. Within a decade, that original $10,000 grows to nearly $26,000. The capital has doubled and then some, entirely on its own. At this stage of the curve, the passive interest is doing more heavy lifting for your net worth than your original contribution ever could. Reaching that tipping point requires a 90-day sprint, a short period of aggressive focus to build that foundational $10,000 as quickly as possible. Most people focus on tiny wins like making coffee at home. Power savers ignore the small stuff and go straight for their baseline fixed costs, like housing and transportation. They also audit the convenience premium. Food delivery, rideshare apps, and priority shipping can silently drain $4,000 a year from a typical budget. Negotiating just one recurring bill, like rent or insurance, provides a permanent annual surplus. It's a structural change that pays dividends every single month. Reaching escape velocity isn't about a temporary diet of frugality. It requires a permanent redesign of how money flows through your life. To make these changes stick, you have to remove human willpower from the equation and automate your saving system. You can use a mechanical system like envelope budgeting to create hard physical boundaries for your daily spending. When the cash for a category is gone, the spending stops. The most effective method is a pay-yourself-first system. Automated direct deposit moves a chunk of your paycheck into an investment account before it touches spending money. Hitting $10,000 proves you've mastered this repeatable blueprint. You have built a wealth-creating machine. The rich get richer because they built this machine once and then spent the rest of their lives letting it run.